Namaste, children. Are you eager to know what you are going to learn from this video? In this picture, what are the children doing? They are building a house. Today, our topic is related to this picture. Now, let us see another picture. Have you guessed the topic, children? Yes, building numbers. Now we are going to see about building of greatest and smallest numbers. Children, for building numbers, there are some rules to be followed. What are the rules? First one, for building greatest number, you have to arrange the digits in descending order. That is, from big to small number. Second, for building smallest number, you have to arrange the digits in ascending order. That is, from small number to big number. Children, read this sentence. Building numbers without repeating the digits. Now let us do a small activity based on this concept. Children, now let us start doing the activity. First, read this question. Write the greatest and smallest 6-digit numbers without repeating. That means you should not repeat the digits. For example, here I have taken 6 digits. 2, 9, 3, 6, 1, 5. You are going to form the greatest number and smallest number using this 6 digits. First, let us form the greatest number. For the greatest number, you have to arrange the digits in descending order. So from here, see which is the greatest number? 9. So take the 9 and keep it here. Next, which is the greatest number? 6. Then 5, 3, 2, 1. Now you see, have you arranged all the numbers in the descending order? Yes. Now write these numbers here. 9, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Place the commas. Now read the number 9,65,321. When coming to smallest number, you have to arrange the digits in ascending order. That is small number to big number. What you have to do? Just reverse the numbers. From here, starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9. Is it in the ascending order? Yes. Now you write this number. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9. Place the commas. Now read the number 1,23,569. Now you have formed the greatest number and smallest 6-digit number. Now let us try another example. Write the greatest and smallest 6-digit numbers without repeating. So here there are 6 digits. Using the 6 numbers, we have to form the greatest number and smallest number. For greatest number, what you have to do? You have to arrange in descending order. So first, descending order means big to small number. Which is the biggest number here? 8. So take the 8 and keep it here. Next 6. After 6, the biggest is 5. And next one is 3, 1 and 0. Now I have arranged in descending order. Now write this number here. 8, 6, 5, 3, 1, 0. After writing, you place the commas. Now read the number, children. 8,65,310. After forming the greatest number, we have to form the smallest number. Smallest number, if you want to arrange in smallest number, you have to arrange in ascending order. So what I am going to do, just I am going to reverse, because ascending order, small number to big number. So I am going to reverse. 0, 1, 3, 5, 6 and 8. Have you got a 6-digit number? No. Since we know that a number does not start from 0. If you take 0, it is a 5-digit number. So what I am going to do is, you place the 1 here in the front and 0 here. Now you got a 6-digit number. Now this is the smallest number. I am going to write this number 1, 0, 3, 5, 6, 8. Now place the commas. Now read the number, children. 1,03,568. Now you have got a clear idea about how to build numbers without repeating the digits. What do you mean by the word repetition given here? Repetition is nothing but repeated. Let us do another activity based on building numbers by repeating the digits. Read the question, children. Write the greatest and smallest 7-digit numbers. In the bracket, a condition is given. You may repeat the digits. Now see here how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Using these 6 digits, we are going to form the greatest and smallest 7-digit number. Let us see how. So to form the greatest number, I have to arrange in descending order. That is big number to small number. So now I am here arranging 9, 7, 5, 4, 3 and 1. I have arranged, but you see here only there are 6 digits, but I want a 7-digit number. So what I have to do, I have to repeat the digits. Here you have to repeat the digit 9. Since we want the greatest number, you have to repeat the greatest digit 2 times. So if I keep 9 here, you will be getting a 7-digit number. Now write this number 9975543 Now place the commas. What is the number? Read the number, children. 99,75,431. Now you got a 7-digit number. Now the same thing we are going to do it for smallest number. I am removing this. Since the question is this, we have to frame from this only. Now I want to arrange in smallest number. So I am arranging in ascending order. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9. So again I got a 6-digit number only, but I want a 7-digit number. So which number I have to repeat? Since we are going to form the smallest number, you have to repeat the number 1. Got it? Now I am going to write this number 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Place the commas. Now let us read the number 11,34,579. One more example. Read this question, children. Write the greatest and smallest 7-digit numbers. Here you have to repeat the digits. You may repeat the digits. So what you have to do? Now we will see an example. 752108. Here we have only 6 digits, but we want to form 7-digit number. For that only they have given the condition, you may repeat the digit. Now let us form the greatest number first. For greatest number you have to arrange in descending order. So I am taking 8, 7, after 7 5, then 2, 1, 0. I have arranged in descending order, but we want 7-digit number. So which number you have to repeat? You have to repeat the greatest number. So 8 should be repeated 2 times. Now you got the 7-digit number? Yes. Now you write the number here. 8, 8, 7, 5, 2, 1, 0. Place the commas. Now read the number. 88 lakhs 75,210. Now you have to form the smallest number using this 6 digits. So for that, what you have to do, you have to arrange in ascending order. So just you have to reverse the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. Did you get the 7-digit number? No. So what I have to do, you know that a number will not start from 0. So what I am doing, I am keeping 1 here and arranging like this. Still I could not get the 7-digit number. So which number I have to repeat? We have to repeat the number 0. Since 0 is the smallest among this. Now you write these numbers. 1, 0, 0, 2, 5, 7, 8. Place the commas. What is the number? 10 lakhs 2,578. So like this, you have to repeat the digits and form the greatest number and smallest number. Building greatest number using only one digit. Read this question, children. Form the greatest 8-digit number using only one digit. Here, we are going to form the greatest number using only one digit. Whenever you are asked to form the greatest number or smallest number, you have to form only using these digits only, that is single digit numbers. Now here we are going to form the greatest number alone only. So greatest 8-digit number using only one digit. Since we want the greatest number, which number I have to take? I have to take 9 because 9 is the greatest. But I want 8-digit number. So what I am going to do is, I am going to write 9 8 times. Now you got the greatest 8-digit number. Now place the commas. Now let us read the number. 9 crores 99 lakhs 99,999. Building a greatest number using 3 different digits. Last question, children. Form the greatest 8-digit number using 3 different digits. So we have to use 3 different digits. And here you have to form the greatest number. So what I have to do, I have to take the greatest 3-digit numbers. So I have to take 9, 8, 7. So using these 3 different digits, I am going to form the greatest 8-digit number. Got it? So I have written 9 and I have included 8 and 7 also. Can you count this? How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now you place the commas. Now you read the number. 9 crore 99 lakh 99,987. Children, read this sentence along with me. Who you are tomorrow begins with what you do today. If you want to be a good children, what you have to do today? You have to break bad habits and build good habits. So start developing your good habits by today itself. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you, children.